Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. Today we're working on an 01 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's got tons and tons of codes, well, 4 codes total on oxygen sensors, low circuit, and no heater circuit. And it all falls down to this fuse, which is your number 16 fuse. It's a 15 amp fuse that supplies the power to those. It just blows them when you put them in. So basically what you want to do to troubleshoot this is you want to unplug all of your oxygen sensors. Whoa. Start the vehicle up because that's only going to have power with the vehicle running. Unplug all of them and then plug them in one at a time with a new fuse in there until the fuse blows. This one right here, you can see that. That's no good, but that wasn't the one that was blowing the fuse. It was actually the other one downstream. You still have 2 upstreams. If you can see it right there, you can't see it. I don't have my flashlight on me, but you have an upstream and upstream. We're replacing both these downstreams. It's a 22 millimeter. If you have to replace numerous ones, from what I've called on, all these O2 sensors are different. Obviously it's going to be pigtail length, not the actual O2 sensor, but that's what's going to take care of clearing that check engine light and getting these things working the way they're supposed to be reading. So number 16 fuse, unplug them all, plug them in one at a time until it blows, and that's going to be the one you need to change out. If you have them all unplugged and it blows from it running without any of them plugged in, it's going to be a wiring harness issue, and you're going to have to dig into that by pulling the wiring harness out, trying to figure out where maybe you melted to the exhaust or you're chipping away at the firing wall. Check us out on Facebook. I know we didn't get into pulling these out, but it's a 22 millimeter, threads out, new one threads in. I don't know if you guys want to see that or not, but we wanted to point out how we came across this issue, and it turns out it's a very common issue on the Grand Cherokees with the 4.7s. So check your fuse and then check them one at a time. Check out our Facebook, share with your friends, and hit the subscribe button. And as always, keep wrenching.